If you are a businessman who wants exponential growth for his business, then this video is exactly what you need. In this video, I will show you this amazing integration that I have created inside my Pabbly Connect account, where you can see I have integrated this Kit and WhatsApp by AI Sensei inside my Pabbly Connect account. And with the help of this integration, whenever a new subscriber will get added on my Kit account, then automatically that particular subscriber will receive a message about product info on their WhatsApp account. Now to see the demo of this amazing automation, follow me through my screen. Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. Now as we are on my screen, so first of all let me show you the demo of this amazing automation. For that you can see here I have this particular subscriber form for this kit. So now I will fill this particular form and then we will see that automatically a new subscriber will get added on my kit account, and instantly that particular customer will receive the product info on their WhatsApp account. So here I will click on the submit button and then we will see that instantly on my WhatsApp account I will receive the product info template message. So for that I will open my WhatsApp account and there we will see that instantly I have received this particular template message of product info. So this was the demo of this amazing automation. Now I will show you how you can also create such an amazing automation for your business. So to start creating this amazing automation, first of all I will help you navigate to the dashboard of Pabbly. So for that we have to go on a new tab and enter this pabbly.com/connect, and by pressing this enter button you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Connect. And in here on the top right corner you can see we have got these two different options, sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user to Pabbly Connect, then you have to click on the sign up free button, and from here you can create your free account. And by creating your free account you can avail 100 free tasks every month that Pabbly Connect gives to every new user. And if you are an existing user like me, then you have to press on this sign in button. After that you will get directed to this all apps page of Pabbly, where you can see Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today as we are going to use this Pabbly Connect, so that's why I will press this access now button, and this will get me directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And inside this dashboard on the right corner, this create workflow button is given to us. By clicking on this button I can start creating a workflow for myself. And on the left side here you can see this folder is given to us with this plus button. So by clicking on this plus button I can create a folder for myself, and in those particular folders I can store my workflows to stay organized. Now before I start to create a workflow, first of all I would like to share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. Pabbly has an amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members, where individuals share their ideas and ask questions to our experts. Here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video, so you can go and join our community from there. Now I will head back to this dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and in here I will click on this create workflow button, and then you can see we have to select among these two different workflow builders. First one is our new beta version, which is modern, faster and more flexible, and the other one is our classic version, which is a stable and familiar approach. So today I will select this particular new beta version for myself, but you can select this classic version also. So I will select it from here. Now inside this dialog box I will give a meaningful name to my workflow as this instant WhatsApp product info for new kit leads, and from this second select folder drop down I will select the particular folder in which I want to save this workflow, and then I will press this create button. After that you will see that I will get directed on this particular page where this add trigger button will be visible to me. So here you can see this is our add trigger button, and here we have to choose our first application, which will be our trigger application. So this trigger application is like the event on which I want my workflow to get triggered. Now to help you better understand how this trigger and action buttons will work, let me share my objective for today's workflow. So today I want that whenever any new subscriber gets added to my Kit account, then automatically that particular subscriber receives a template message about product info on their WhatsApp account. So for today I will select my trigger application as this Kit. So in here I will search for Kit, and after that I will select it from here. And then for this application event I will select this new subscriber because I want my workflow to get triggered whenever a new subscriber will get added on my Kit account. Now to connect Kit with Pabbly Connect I will press this connect button. After that you will see that here I have got these two different options, add new connection and select existing connection. So if you have already established your connection, then you can go with this select existing connection, but if you want to create your connection for the first time, then you have to go with this add new connection. So I will go with this add new connection, and in here you can see we have to enter this API key and this API secret. So where you will get this API key, this is written right here. So first of all, you have to log into your Git account, and after login we have to go to account settings. So here you can see this is my Git account, and in here when I will click on this drop down here, this setting is given to us. So I will open the settings, and inside the settings you can see on the left side here this particular developer is given to me. So I will click on this developer, and in here you can see this is our API key and this is our API secret. So first of all, I will copy this API key from here and I will paste it inside my Pabbly Connect accounts, this box like this. For this API secret, I will go back, I will copy it from here and I will paste it in here, and then I will press this save button. So here our connection is established successfully. Now I just have to click on this save and send test request button. Then we will go and submit a test response there. So to submit a test response, I have to go back on this particular subscriber form, and when I will refresh this page, you can see here I will again enter some details. So first of all, for this name, I will enter this Rajveer, and then for this last name I will enter the party, and in the email address I will enter this raj@pabblyrecruits.com, and I will also enter this dummy number, and then I will press the submit button. Then you can see I have successfully filled the subscriber form. This means that all these details have got captured as a new response in my Pabbly Connect account. So I will open my Pabbly Connect account, and in here you can see we have successfully received a response with all the details that I have filled in my subscriber form. So this means that my trigger step is working all fine. Now to send a WhatsApp message, I will take help of AI Sensei. So for my action application, I will just click on this plus button, and here I will search for AI Sensei inside this box, and after that I will select it from here. You can see this is WhatsApp by AI Sensei. So I will select it, and then for this application event, I will select this particular send template message, and then I will press this connect button. After that you can see here again I have got these two different options, add new connection and select existing connection. So this time also I will go with this add new connection, and in here we have to enter this API key. So to get this API key, you just have to follow the steps given here, but I will show you directly. Here you can see I have also logged into my AI Sensei account, and in here when I will click on this settings manage, you can see here this API key is given to us. So I will click on this API key, and this is our API key. I will just copy it from here and I will paste it inside this box like this, and then I will press this save button. Then you will see that our connection has got created successfully. Now in here I just have to enter this campaign name, mobile number and username to successfully send this particular message to my customer. So for that you can see as I have already created a template inside my AI Sensei account. So if I will show you inside my AI Sensei account, when I will click on this all, you can see these are all the templates that I have created for myself. And in here when I will click on this particular template, kit opt-in product, you can see this is the exact same template that I have created for myself. Now this is the template that I have created. So if you also want to create a template for yourself, then you can do that by clicking on this plus new button given here. And after that, first of all, to send this particular template to your customer, you have to set up a campaign. So to set up a campaign, you just have to open the campaigns from here, and in here when you will click on this launch, after that when you will select this API campaign, in here you can see you have to give a name to your campaign, select the template. So you can see in here I will select the exact same template which I want to send to my customer, and then you have to press this set live button. So I will show you the campaign that I have created. I have created this particular campaign, kit opt-in. Now I will just copy the name of this campaign from here and I will paste it inside this campaign name box like this. Now I have to fill this field mobile number. So to fill this I will take help of mapping. So to map data, you just have to click on this drop down of your previous step. You can see this is my previous step. When I will click on this drop down, here all the details that I have received in my previous step are visible to me. So from here this was the phone number that I have received, so I will select it from here, and after that for this username you can see I will again map the name of my customer. You can see this is the name of my customer, so I have selected it from here. Now I will leave these fields empty because they are not mandatory. Now for this template parameter, in here I will map the name of my customer. So first of all I will map the name of my customer, Rajveer, and after that I will show you what exactly is this template parameter. So I will go back to my AI Sensei account, and in here for this template you can see inside my template I have created this particular dynamic field where I want to map the name of my customer. So that's why inside inside the template parameter, I have entered the name of my customer. Now I will go back in here, and as I have filled all of these following details, now I just have to click on the save and send test request button. But before that, I know that you must be in doubt that why I have filled all of these fields by mapping and why I have not typed down the name of my customer manually. So if I tell you in simple words, when we map data, then that particular field becomes dynamic. It means that whenever Pabbly Connect will detect any new data, it will automatically update the old data with the new captured data. This means that we have to maintain a balance while we fill up these fields. Like if I want some data to get changed automatically, then I will map it. But if I want some data to remain static, then I will type it down manually. So now I hope that you have understood what exactly is mapping and how you can map data. Now I will click on this save and send test request button. But before that, as this was a dummy number, so in here I will enter my real number and then I will press this save and send test request button. So I have entered my number. Now I will just press this save and send test request button. After that, you can see here I have received the response as true. This means that a WhatsApp template message has got delivered successfully to my customer. So I will open my WhatsApp account, and in here you can see with this particular name Rajveer Tripathi, I have successfully received this message on my WhatsApp account. So with this, I have successfully demonstrated how you can create such an amazing automation for your business with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this was it for this video. If you want to clone this workflow, then for you, I will add a link of this workflow in the description box of this video. So you can go and clone this workflow from there. If you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel. And for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and you can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check this particular website. So what are you waiting for? Just go and automate your business with the help of Pabbly Connect.